You're gonna get brain freeze, Twix.
Dumb cat.
Really, I'm videotaping and you have to call her name? She's not dumb. She's sweetie. Wait, hold on, listen to it, because it's funny. Listen to her little slurping. She sounds like a hamster eating lettuce. Gabe, do you see this?
You can't tell what she's doing.
Yes, you can. She's eating a popsicle.
Just try this. Man, what she's doing?
Trixie, honey, I think you've had enough. You're gonna get brain freeze.
She's not getting a brain freeze. That is weird.
Hmm?
Gotta have one first.
You know why I'm still looking.
Her ears are back. I think she is regretting it, but it's
I
good.
think she's smiling. And she is smiling. You can see her
See how
smile.
big her whiskers are in this video. Look at that. Her eyelashes are ridiculous.
I see her mouth. That is just adorable. She's just adorable. Are you going to send it to someone?